Hey, hey guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffeney. If this is your first time seeing my channel, I am 21 years of age. Maybe you can find something that you like here. If you do, then feel free to hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit that like button. The like button is not up there, it is somewhere down there. Today I'm coming to you guys with a makeup review. I got two Rihanna newly dropped skin tint for myself. I picked one that is close to my shade, or is my shade, because I'm not always good with picking my shades in foundation and stuff like that. So I picked two, one that is dark and one that is light. This is the packaging, this is what it looks like. And this one is shade 13. Okay, why is it not focusing? And by the way, this is recommended for you to use your hands and apply it onto your face, not sponge, or you can use a brush, I think, but I'm gonna use my hands. We're gonna test patch them first, and then I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done off camera and get my lashes on and come back. Let's get into it. So this is 19, right? That's what I say. So this is what 19 look like. Oop. So look. So I feel like even in winter time, 13 wouldn't be my shade because it's way too light. So let's apply this. So 1, 2, 3. With my hands, make sure that it's clean. And by the way, this is said to be medium coverage, not full coverage. This is all about. Ooh, it's getting in my hair. Not there now. Not there now. Ooh, and it feels good on my skin. So this is what mine looks like. Ooh, come on now, Rihanna. Come on now. Come on now. This doesn't even look like I have on foundation or I have on anything on my face. Ooh, this looks bomb as hell. Pose for the camera. So I love this so far. It is definitely not full coverage because I can still see some like dark spot coming through. I definitely love this because it is small. For one, you can always like drop it in your bag when you're on the rush or on the go, and you can just simply put this on like if you're late or anything and you don't want to do a full face. So now that I tried it on, I'm gonna go do a little small simple beat. I'm definitely not gonna do too much. Okay. One, two. Don't you guys see how it looks to me? This brings me to the end of my skin tint review by Fenty Beauty, aka Rihanna. I like it. It's alright. I'll give it a 7 out of 10, my review. And sometimes foundations can be a little bit too solid for me. It's like you can't feel it, but you can feel it at the same time. But this, I feel like that's on my face. The only thing I feel is my lashes, because I'm blinking, and my lip gloss. But otherwise, I can't feel nothing on my face because it's so light. That's what I love about it too. It is so light. See you next time, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down there. Don't forget to hit that like button right somewhere under here as well, or over here at the bottom there, and turn on that post notification to get notified every single time your girl posts a video. And like I said before, I don't bite, so feel free to comment down below, interact with me. I will chat back. And also you can follow me on my socials. My Instagram is at here. That brings me to the end of my video. Bye, see you next time.